Yes, 99 of women like me. That's why I've been doing this for 30 years. Continuing to focus on stamina and energy. It gave me such confidence that I even began to fear women. I started thinking that women were to be feared. Honestly, I made mistakes in my family life. I've tried all the medicine
You have a lot of changes. I heard that you get a lot of greetings. Would you like to talk about the greeting part and the change you feel?
The best thing I've done is my legs. Because my legs have improved. My walking has changed.
Yes, it's noticeable.
But now people notice my walking is much better. I've been told about this a lot. Now, my walking is so much improved that people are considering surgeries at this hospital. Oh, yes, and my face looks healthier than before. People used to call it just a face, but now they say my face looks better.
Do they say you look younger or healthier? But you've been with our hospital for 21 years. And you've said your body has gotten better with your own resources.
Yes, and I've received greetings for that.
So, do you want anything more in the future?
I want to keep improving.
I don't think it's necessary to use anyone else's resources.
Yes, I don't need external help. I am fully satisfied with my own bodhi's capacity. I feel changes are happening. My masculinity is returning.
And you are experiencing that, right?
Yes, it's gotten significantly better.
How has it improved?
Plays the saxophone for 3 hours a day. I come out at 4 o'clock in the morning. And I also exercise regularly. I used to feel very tired before, but now I don't feel tired at all. My body feels more energized and balanced. And my face has changed a lot, too. People notice and say, "Why do you look so much younger?" They ask if I'm aging backward. Yes, 99 of people like me. That's why I've been working out for 30 years. Because they're active 70 of men and 99 of women. I have lots of conversations with women about finding health and balance. We do a lot of comparisons. Having these conversations is helpful. Most people dislike going to the hospital. But I try to make them comfortable. In fact, I lived most of my life not even knowing my blood type. But after doing a comprehensive test, I learned about my blood type. The first change I noticed after this was my emotional clarity. I felt less restless. And all my previous discomfort seemed to fade. Now, because I was scared of women before, I made mistakes in my personal life. I ended up raising my child alone. I used to feel like I was being unfaithful. But upon reflection, I realized I wasn't doing well. Male function was very poor. So after that, I went to the urology clinic and had surgery for my condition. I had to address an issue. The surgery wasn't successful initially, but eventually, I had an endoscopy. After that, I went back to my usual lifestyle. About stamina, I gained a lot of confidence in myself. I stopped fearing women. I explored different ways to fix myself, even trying medications. But none of them worked. It was our hospital's treatment that finally worked. With the help of our doctor, I improved. And now, I feel much better. Life feels enjoyable again. Even the emotional wounds have healed. Initially, I kept my hospital visits a secret. But recently, I confessed to my family. And they congratulated me. Now I'm like a new person. I feel whole and complete. Thank you so much.